Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to a very first on Paradise and Pinellas. Today we are somewhere south of Pinellas County, and I wanted to come see why. So far, I've already kind of figured out why this is the #1 beach in the U.S. Free parking. Free parking. Can't beat that, right? But yeah, we are at Siesta Key Beach today, checking it all out. My first time here, actually, in 32 years. Without further ado, let's turn this camera around and show you guys a beautiful day here on Siesta Key Beach. So this beach is about an hour south of Pinellas County. Well worth every minute of that drive so far. We haven't even hit the beach yet, guys. We just made it to the parking lot. America's #1 beach. Free parking. I can't believe free parking here. Coming from Pinellas County, where every beach pretty much is pay to park, this one is a huge parking lot. It's free. Right here at the beginning of the park, we have a little gift shop full of floaties and shirts and hats, everything you may want for a beach day, and a little food stand over here too. Sarasota, Florida, Siesta, #1 beach in the U.S. By Stephen P. Leatherman, the guy we talked about before. All right, let's make our way on out to the beach now. Even on a Wednesday, this beach is pretty packed. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to do the video, and then we are going to come back out and enjoy a couple hours on the sand. So one of the highlights of this beach is the sand. It is 99% pure quartz, which means it stays cool on the feet no matter what the temperature is. I'm going to take my shoes off just to experience that. Yeah, that sand feels pretty good on the feet. This beach is absolutely massive. There's so much land mass here. Hate to say it, but if Pinellas beaches want to get more people on the beach, definitely need to open up more free parking. Even on a Wednesday, this place is really, really packed. Not as packed as it could be on a weekend, but for a weekday, especially a Wednesday, it is really packed there today. I'm going to check out this water. It is crystal clear. Man, it is clearer than it is in Pinellas County. Oh, this is cool. It goes all the way out too. Yeah, we'll definitely come out here. I am so glad I came out here today. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of people out here today. Got the lifeguard stand out. Definitely lifeguards out today. There's a lot of people. But yeah, that crystal clear water, turquoise water all the way down. This is a very clean water beach here. Yeah, this is definitely a great beach. This may be my new favorite beach. This is kind of crazy. Watch where you stand, though. Watch where you walk. Just considering this is what a typical busier day on Clearwater Beach looks like. That's really cool to see this. A lot of activity going on, as you can see. Family fun for all ages too. We got some seagasm here. Some sand castles out here. Like, this guy's got a whole city going on. Nice work, buddy. I would definitely like to do more beaches outside of Pinellas County. I know it's Paradise in Pinellas, but we're also going to start a new playlist called Paradise Outside Pinellas, showcasing some of the greatest beaches in Florida as a little addition to our main Pinellas County channel, just to give you guys more options and more beauty to look at here. So sand quality for me, it's hard, but it's not shelly. So that's a major plus. The water is amazingly clear all the way down the strip here. The people are amazing to look at. It's just a really good vibe here. A lot of birdies on the sand. Yeah, definitely agree with Steven on this one. Alright guys, before we head out, you guys know I like to show you guys that you can rent some cabanas and stuff here. So I did find where you can do that, and I want to come over here and show you guys where you can find that and how much it is for the day here. So right here you got the cabanas and the beds and stuff. Siesta Beach rentals. Oh, those are actually really decent price. It's actually a really good price. It's Siesta Beach Rentals. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or X now. Luxury lounge chairs are $30, umbrella $25, cabanas are $35, day beds market price, not real sure what that is. Steamer $20, and steamer with footrest $25. Then on this side, you got the combos, one steamer and one umbrella $55, two steamers and footrest with umbrella $65, two luxury lounges and umbrella $75. So we're still looking at some really good pricing here. Yeah, this is definitely the life here. Definitely shout out to the Boatser brothers. Super awesome way to hang out. Don't even need to haul your stuff. They do it all for you. They take it down, they put it up, and you are good to go. So this is definitely a great way to spend the day, get some shade, go to the water. It's a good time. Can also do some parasailing out here, some kite surfing. The winds are pretty picked up for that right now, so if you guys want to do that, come on out and enjoy some kite flying action. I want to thank y'all for watching today. Thank you for enjoying the life outside of Pinellas County. This is an amazing beach. Like I said, about an hour away from Pinellas. Super fun, very peaceful and calm, but fun. It's got a nice electric vibe out here, but everybody seems really cool. And these views and this water, you cannot get over that. Plus free parking, cannot beat that either. So until next time, guys, if you like videos like this, if you want to see more videos outside of Pinellas County, let me know. There are some other ideas that I'd like to do, but it's up to you guys to let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you guys next time right here on Paradise Inside Outside Pinellas.